Patient who has undergone genioplasty or chin augmentation. I'm going to be explaining the before and after images of this particular patient. So genioplasty or chin augmentation is a procedure that is done to correct the facial proportion, to augment facial aesthetics by getting the golden proportion. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So this was before, taken on the 31st, and this is after 4 days of surgery. Now just one look, you can see that this height is increased, where this was the height before we started surgery. I'm going to show you all the improvements or the changes that we have achieved, but we're going to move around a bit so you can see the position of the chin in the side view as well. Okay, now I'm going to move to the measurement part of all of this. This is the upper jaw. So I'm going to move to the lower jaw. Okay, I'm not able to get a better picture. Let me see on this one. Yeah. So we've got 8 millimeters of horizontal augmentation and about 7 millimeters of vertical augmentation, all through from the place that is very close to the mental nerve all the way up to the chin, and that's the implant that you see, or the plates and screws. So we've used 2 plates and 4 screws. So you see this height was really less. This is the height of the chin when you take a section, and now you can see the improvement in that particular area. I'm going to show you. I think we've probably got, yeah, again about 8 mm. So we've got overall increase as 15. So the overall increase is about 11 mm, but the gap is about 8 mm. And those are the plates and screws. So I'm going to show you on the panoramic view now. It's not comfortable. It's moved. So 2 plates and 4 screws, right? So the important thing, make sure there is no trauma to the chin. You can't do this. You can't lie down on the sides. You can start eating soft solid diet. This thing will take a month or 2 for it to heal fully. Don't keep any kids on your lap. Don't go for any contact sports. Don't do a lot of exercises. This is the only instructions as far as we're concerned. The bony healing takes 4 weeks minimum. It might take a little longer for you. It looks a little bit exaggerated now because of swelling. It's going to come down, and eventually you're going to get a nice contour. Okay, that's it. So this is a permanent way of augmenting chin. We can augment chin by using implants. Also, we can augment chin by giving fat injections or other procedures. But when we want a more 3-dimensional change to the shape of the chin, this also helps us in improving the breathing, sleeping, reduces the soft tissue jowl, and double chin as well. So it's got multiple advantages. No scars, everything done from inside the mouth. But yes, it's a bony procedure. Thank you. Right.